Friends, welcome to my channel MP Educate. I am Mita Parekh. Let us discuss the most important diagram based question of chapter number 7, Science 1. Friends, this is the most important diagram based question as it already came in the paper of the 2014 as well as in the paper of 2019. Name the defect shown in the figure. From the diagram only we can find out it is hypermetropia, as the image of nearby object is fall behind the retina. What is the hypermetropia? In this defect, the human eye can see the distinct object clearly but cannot see the nearby object distinctly. Here, name the two possible reasons for this defect. The two possible reasons are: first, the curvature of the cornea and the eye lens decreases so that the conversing power of the lens becomes less. Now, due to the flattening of the eyeball, the distance between the lens and the retina is decreases. As the distance between lens and retina decreases, image is formed behind the retina. Now, which type of lens used to correct this defect? Here, convex lens is used to correct this defect. How lens correct the defect? Here, the convex lens. It first converts the ray of light before it fall on the eye lens. And eye lens again converts the incident ray and the image is fall on the retina. Here, the focal length of convex lens is positive. Thus, the spectacle used to correct this defect have the positive power. Let us see the question of the paper 2019. Here, Survi from standard 10 used the spectacle and the power of the lenses in her spectacle is 0.5 diopter. Now, we have to answer the question. First, identify type of the lens used in her spectacle. As we know that the power of the hypermetropia spectacle is positive. So here convex lens is used in her spectacle as the focal length of the convex lens is positive. Identify the vision Surbi is suffering from. Here, due to the positive power of the spectacle, Surbi is suffering from the hypermetropia. Now, here we have to calculate the focal length. As we know that f is equal to 1 upon d, that is f is equal to 1 upon 0.5, that is 1 upon 5 upon 10, that is 10 upon 5, that is 2 meter. Here focal length is 2 meter. Let us move to our next diagram based question. Friends, this is also very important diagram based question as it already came in the paper of 2020. Name the defect shown in the figure. From figure only we can say it is myopia. As the image of the object is formed in the front of retina, it is myopia. What is myopia? In this case, the eye can see the nearby object clearly, but the distinct object appear indistinct. Which are the two possible reasons? The two possible reasons are the curvature of cornea and the eye lens increases. The muscle near the lens cannot relax, so the conversing power of the lens remain high. Second, the eyeball is elongated so that the distance between the lens and retina increases. As the distance between lens and retina increases, image is formed in the front of retina. Which type of lens used to correct the eye defect? Here, the concave lens is used to correct the eye defect. How the lens correct the defect? Here, the concave lens first diverts the incident ray before it fall on the eye lens, and the eye lens converts the ray of the light, incident ray of the light, and the image is formed on the retina. We can say that As the focal length of the concave lens is negative, so the power of the spectacle for the myopia is negative. Let us move to our next diagram based question. Friends, this diagram based question is too important as it already came in the paper of 2020. In the paper of 2020, students have to draw and label the human eye. Here, A. A is ciliary muscle. B. B is iris. C. C is pupil. D. D is crystalline lens. E. A is cornea. And F. F is a retina. Now write the function of the cornea. There is a thin transparent cover. There is a thin transparent cover on the human eye. This is called the cornea. Light enters the eye through the cornea. The maximum amount of the incident light is refracted inside the eyes at the outer surface of the cornea. Now, pupil. Pupil, there is a small hole of the changing diameter at the center of the iris is called the pupil. Now, pupil control the amount of light entering the eyes. If the light falling on the eye is too bright, pupil contract. If the light is too dim, then it is widened. Now, crystalline lens. Just behind the pupil, there is a double convex transparent crystalline lens. So here, the lens provides the fine adjustment of the focal length so that the image is formed on the retina. The lens creates real inverted image of object on the screen inside the eye, that is on the retina. Let us see the question of the paper 2020. Name the type of lens in the human eye. The type of lens in the human eye is double convex transparent crystalline lens. Name the screen at which maximum amount of incident light is refracted. So as we know, the maximum amount of the refraction of light occur through cornea. State the nature of the image form of the object on the screen inside the eye. So nature of image is real and inverted. Friends, have you noticed that sub-question of diagram based question are too simple to give answer. So please do the diagram based question and get 40 out of 40 marks. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.